My Peg Perego ride-on toy makes a grinding or clicking noise.
If your ride-on toy is making a grinding or clicking noise, or if you can hear the motor running, but the wheel is not turning, you need a gearbox. Note, if you replace one gearbox, it is recommended to replace both. If one side is grinding, the other one is overloaded and not far behind. Our repair experts recommend replacing both. To determine which gearboxes you need, go to mypegperegoparts.com, click on Parts by Vehicle, and find your model.
This was another great tip brought to you by mypegperegoparts.com, your source for all your Peg Perego needs.